The following video covers the operations and features of the Pedestal and Geo Position window on a Nextmove Technologies antenna positioner. For this video, we'll be using a Nextmove LA360 RPT 20 antenna positioner to demonstrate. We will be covering the following functions for the Pedestal and the Geo Position window: the difference between the tabs for Pedestal and Geo mode, the azimuth function, the elevation function, the Go button, and finally, the Store button. First, I will go over the difference between the two modes. When in Geo mode, the blue numbers for azimuth and elevation will display Geo heading. Then, when in Pedestal mode, the blue numbers for azimuth and elevation will display Pedestal angle. Now we will cover the functions of the Pedestal position window. To make sure you're in the window, check the bottom right tab and make sure it's gray and it says Pedestal. The Pedestal mode does not align with Geo, and it simply displays the pedestal range of motion for the Nextmove positioner that you are using. Additionally, the pedestal range of motion will depend on the model you have. Next, let's cover the Geo position window. To get to the Geo window, you must click the gray tab at the bottom right that says Pedestal and see that it now switches to a red tab that says Geo to make sure you are now in the Geo mode. The reason you would want to use the Geo mode is when you are trying to point your pedestal using the internal compass to a line based on map orientation direction. Alright, let's move on to the azimuth function. The azimuth allows the positioner to move left to right. You will find the gray box with blue text to your left is the current azimuth in degrees. To change this, you can find the white command box to the right. An operator can enter a value within the plus or minus range of motion that can be found below and on the outsides of the blue bar. Here, the range of motion is negative 220 to 220 degrees. So, for example, let's say your desired angle was to move azimuth by 10 degrees. Type the number in and then press the Go button to execute upon this action. You will now see the LED will light green when the axis is in motion, along with the blue slider bar increasing or decreasing. In this case, you will find that it slightly increases, which indicates the positioner's range of motion. Now, let's cover the elevation function. The elevation function allows the positioner to move up and down. Once again, the current elevation is in the gray and blue box to the left, and to the right of it is the white command box. An operator may enter a value in the white box within the plus or minus range of motion found below and on the outsides of the blue bar. Here, the range of motion is between negative 10 and 10 degrees. I'll use the example of 5 degrees to demonstrate. Once I type this in and press Go, you should observe the LED will light green when the axis is in motion, and the blue slider bar will again increase in this specific example. Finally, the Store button allows an operator to store your current location to the fixed store database. Further details on the Store button can be found in the video covering the fixed database. This concludes the Nextmove Graphical User Interface Pedestal and Geo Position tutorial. Thanks for watching!